Hello guys, Technique Master here. So today I'm gonna show you the airdrop using of the iPhone devices, how to share the video, picture and airdrop easily within a seconds. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see, the both devices are iPhone 10 and now you can use this. So I drop the notification panel and now check the airdrop from here. You can first you make sure you have opened the airdrop for everyone. So first open this in receiving device. So now I will send a picture from this device to this. So as you can see, I have selected one picture, but I will select another one and the third one also, and you can easily you can easily share from here. As you can see, wait a little bit when it's catch the another device. So as you can see, the device is in active mode. So start the sharing, wait a little bit, it have been shared the 3 pictures, as you can see. So if you like my video, please make sure you have subscribed my channel, and thanks for watching.